I'm on an adventure with Ava. We're gonna go shark tooth hunting. She's got a really cool project. She's gonna show you the way, and she's right here now. It's gonna be a sifter. It might be something fancy. It might even be a sifter from Dollar Tree. And next, we're gonna find a 40-foot observation tower here in just a moment. Coming up on a great little area now to organize our things. We can also stack up right into the river. A little bit of a beachy area here. Ready to go, Ava?